Beyond Earth, a cosmic imperative. Look up at the night sky. What do you see? Stars, planets, galaxies scattered across the vast canvas of space. For centuries, humans have gazed at this cosmic tapestry, filled with wonder and a yearning to explore. This curiosity, this drive to venture beyond the familiar, is deeply embedded in our DNA. It's what led our ancestors out of Africa, across oceans, and eventually to the moon. Today, space travel is more than just a dream. It's a necessity. Our planet, as precious as it is, faces challenges. Climate change, resource depletion, and the ever-present threat of asteroid impacts remind us that our existence on Earth is fragile. We need a backup plan, a plan B for humanity. And that plan involves becoming a multi-planetary species. The seeds of tomorrow, ensuring humanity's future. But how do we make this dream of becoming a multi-planetary species a reality? How do we bridge the vast distances between Earth and other potentially habitable worlds? The answer lies in building stepping stones, cosmic oases that will make interplanetary travel not only possible but sustainable. These stepping stones are known as space hubs. Imagine a future where spacecraft don't have to be launched directly from Earth, burdened by the need to carry all their fuel for the entire journey. Picture instead these vessels embarking on their interplanetary voyages from orbiting platforms, already positioned in the vast expanse of space. These platforms, strategically located and equipped with the resources needed for long-duration spaceflight, are the space hubs of tomorrow. Islands in the sky. The concept of space hubs. Imagine a world where traveling to space is as routine as boarding an airplane. Instead of massive rockets launching from Earth, imagine sleek spacecraft departing from orbiting platforms, their journeys made more efficient and affordable. This is the promise of space hubs, cosmic way stations that will revolutionize space travel and open up the solar system to human exploration. Space hubs are essentially large, self-sustaining stations positioned in strategic locations in space, such as Earth orbit, lunar orbit, or even at Lagrange points, where the gravitational forces of the Earth and Sun balance out. Think of them as orbiting cities, bustling with activity, serving as both destinations and points of departure for missions throughout our solar system. Beyond fuel and physics, the strategic imperative. The advantages of space hubs extend far beyond the practicalities of fuel efficiency and orbital mechanics. They offer a strategic advantage in our quest to become a multi-planetary species. By establishing a permanent human presence in space, we reduce our dependence on Earth and mitigate the risks associated with remaining a single-planet species. Space hubs can serve as early warning systems for potential threats to Earth, such as asteroid impacts or solar flares. Equipped with advanced telescopes and sensors, they can provide valuable data and buy us precious time to react to cosmic dangers. Section 3. Building blocks of a multi-planetary future. Types and locations. Space hubs can take various forms, each tailored to its specific purpose and location. Some will be modular, gradually expanding over time as new components are added. Others might be designed for specific functions, such as fuel depots, research stations, or even spaceports for commercial space tourism. The location of a space hub is crucial. Earth orbit offers a relatively accessible starting point, while lunar orbit provides a stepping stone for missions to the moon and beyond. Lagrange points, where gravitational forces balance, offer stable locations for long-term habitation and observation. Section 1. Cosmic Stepping Stones, Bridging the Interplanetary Gulf. Imagine wanting to explore a distant island on Earth. You wouldn't set sail without first stocking your ship with supplies, charting a course, and identifying safe harbors along the way. Similarly, journeying to other planets requires careful planning and strategic infrastructure. This is where space hubs come in, serving as crucial stepping stones in our interplanetary expeditions. The vast distances between planets pose a formidable challenge for space travel. Launching directly from Earth, while possible, requires immense amounts of fuel, making missions complex and expensive. Space hubs, strategically positioned in space, offer a more efficient alternative. Think of them as interplanetary layover points where spacecraft can refuel, resupply, and adjust their trajectories for the next leg of their journey. Section 2. Fueling the future space hubs as refueling stations. Imagine a car that could drive across continents without needing to stop for gas. That's the dream for space travel, and space hubs are a key part of making it a reality. One of their most critical functions will be to serve as refueling stations for spacecraft. Currently, spacecraft have to carry all the fuel they need for their entire journey, adding significant weight and complexity to missions. Space hubs, however, can be equipped to store and transfer propellant, allowing spacecraft to refuel in space and significantly extend their range. Section 3. Cosmic Laboratories Advancing Science and Technology. Space hubs will not only be transportation hubs but thriving centers of scientific research and technological development. The unique environment of space offers unparalleled opportunities to conduct experiments and test technologies that wouldn't be possible on Earth. Imagine laboratories in space, free from the constraints of gravity, where scientists can study materials science, fluid dynamics, and biological processes in completely new ways. These findings could lead to breakthroughs in medicine, manufacturing, and our understanding of the universe itself. Section 4. From Stepping Stone to Home. The long-term vision for space hubs. In the long run, space hubs have the potential to evolve from mere stepping stones to self-sustaining habitats, capable of supporting permanent human populations. This transition from temporary outposts to permanent settlements is crucial for the long-term vision of humanity as a multi-planetary species. Imagine space hubs expanding, incorporating modules for agriculture, recreation, and even cultural activities. These space-based settlements could one day become thriving communities, home to generations born and raised beyond Earth. Section 1. Dreams taking flight. Space hubs in action today. While the concept of sprawling space hubs might seem like science fiction, the reality is that we've already taken the first steps toward making them a reality. The International Space Station, a marvel of engineering and international cooperation, has been orbiting Earth for over 2 decades. It serves as a testament to what we can achieve when we work together, pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity. The ISS, while not a space hub in the grand vision we've discussed, offers a glimpse into the possibilities. It has hosted astronauts from around the world, facilitating groundbreaking research in microgravity and expanding our understanding of space. The lessons learned from the ISS, from life support systems to international collaboration, are invaluable as we move towards building more ambitious space hubs. Section 2. The Gateway to the Moon, a stepping stone to Mars and beyond. As we set our sights beyond Earth's orbit, the Moon emerges as a natural stepping stone for further exploration. It's relatively close, offering valuable resources, and serves as a testing ground for technologies needed for deep space missions. This is where the Lunar Gateway project takes center stage, a shining example of the space hub concept in action. Led by NASA in collaboration with international partners, the Gateway will be a smaller space station in lunar orbit. It will serve multiple purposes: a base for lunar exploration, a platform for scientific research, and crucially, a proving ground for technologies needed for human missions to Mars and beyond. Section 3. The Red Planet Beckons. Building a Martian Hub. Mars, the red planet, has captivated our imagination for centuries. Its potential for harboring life, its similarities to Earth, and its position as a reachable destination make it a prime target for human exploration and eventual settlement. Building a space hub in Martian orbit is a crucial step towards making this vision a reality. A Martian hub could serve as a command center for robotic and human exploration of the planet's surface. It could house laboratories for studying Martian geology, atmosphere, and potential signs of past or present life. Imagine scientists working in Martian orbit, remotely operating rovers on the surface, conducting experiments, and unraveling the mysteries of this alien world. Section 4. A Symphony of Collaboration, the International Space Hub. The challenges of space exploration are immense, requiring vast resources, cutting-edge technology, and unwavering human dedication. No single nation can shoulder this burden alone. International collaboration is not just beneficial, it's essential for the success of future space hubs and humanity's future in space. Imagine a future where space hubs are not just national endeavors, but collaborative projects involving nations from around the globe. Imagine scientists, engineers, and astronauts from diverse backgrounds working together, sharing knowledge and pushing the boundaries of human achievement. Beyond the horizon, the next giant leap. We stand at the cusp of a new era in space exploration, one where the dreams of yesterday are becoming the realities of tomorrow. Just as the Apollo missions captivated a generation and inspired us to reach for the moon, the vision of space hubs ignites our imaginations, beckoning us towards a future where humanity becomes a truly spacefaring civilization. The next giant leap in space exploration won't be a single event but a series of interconnected steps, each building upon the last. It will involve pushing the boundaries of technology, fostering international cooperation, and nurturing the spirit of exploration and discovery that has always been a hallmark of our species. Section 2, Building Tomorrow, Today, Technological Advancements for Space Hubs. Transforming the vision of space hubs into a tangible reality hinges on overcoming significant technological hurdles. We need to develop more efficient propulsion systems to reduce travel time and cost, advanced life support technologies to sustain human life in the harsh environment of space, and innovative construction techniques to assemble large structures in orbit. Fortunately, advancements in fields like robotics, 3D printing, and artificial intelligence are paving the way for such breakthroughs. Imagine robots working tirelessly in space, assembling modules, conducting repairs, and even mining resources from asteroids or the moon. Picture 3D printers creating entire habitats from lunar regolith or Martian soil, reducing our reliance on Earth-based materials. Section 3. A tapestry of collaboration, international cooperation, and shared dreams. Just as the International Space Station stands as a testament to international collaboration, future space hubs will require a global effort, uniting nations in a shared pursuit of knowledge, exploration, and the betterment of humanity. The challenges of space exploration are too great, the costs too high for any one nation to shoulder alone. Imagine scientists and engineers from around the world pooling their knowledge and resources, working side by side to design, build, and operate space hubs. Picture astronauts from diverse backgrounds living and working together, sharing their cultures and perspectives, united by a common goal. Section 1. A future written in the stars. As we stand on the precipice of this new era of space exploration, it's impossible not to feel a sense of awe and excitement. The dream of becoming a multi-planetary species, once relegated to the realm of science fiction, is now within our grasp. Space hubs, those cosmic stepping stones, are the key to unlocking this extraordinary future. They represent not just a technological leap, but a fundamental shift in our understanding of ourselves and our place in the universe. Imagine future generations gazing up at the night sky, not with longing but with a sense of connection, knowing that humanity has established a presence among the stars. Imagine them boarding sleek spacecraft, embarking on journeys to the moon, Mars, and beyond, their travels made possible by the network of space hubs that crisscross our solar system. Section 2, Our Cosmic Legacy, a universe of possibilities. The journey towards becoming a multi-planetary species is not just about escaping the confines of our home planet, it's about embracing the vast potential that lies within us. It's about recognizing that the same spirit of exploration and discovery that led our ancestors across continents and oceans now calls us to reach for the stars. Space hubs are not just pieces of infrastructure, they are symbols of our collective ambition, our ingenuity, and our unwavering belief in the power of human potential. They are a testament to our ability to overcome challenges, push beyond our perceived limits, and achieve extraordinary things when we work together.